Tired of hitting the gym consistently but seeing little to no progress? You're not alone, and the good news is there's a better way. In this ultimate guide, we're going to break down exactly how to build muscle faster and more effectively by optimizing training, nutrition, recovery, and even supplementation. This isn't about gimmicks. It's about science-backed strategies that actually work when applied with consistency. So whether you're a beginner or someone who's plateaued, stick around. We're about to help you unlock your full muscle building potential. Progressive overload. The number one rule of muscle growth is simple. Your muscles must be forced to adapt. That means each week you need to challenge them a bit more. This is known as progressive overload. You can apply this by increasing the weight you're lifting, adding more reps per set, doing more sets for each exercise, reducing rest time between sets to increase intensity, or even slowing down your tempo to keep muscles under tension longer. If your workouts feel the same every week, your body has no reason to grow. Form and technique. Lifting heavier is great, but not at the cost of form. Sloppy reps lead to injuries and minimal muscle activation. Focus on controlled movements. Don't just move the weight, feel the muscle doing the work. Use a full range of motion. Half reps mean half results. And develop a strong mind-muscle connection, especially with isolation exercises. Concentrate on the muscle you're training. It's not about lifting the most weight, it's about making the muscle work the most. Training frequency and split. How often should you train each muscle group? Muscles don't grow during the workout, they grow between workouts. Muscle protein synthesis stays elevated for 24 to 72 hours depending on the muscle and your experience level. Beginners can start with 3 full-body workouts per week. Intermediate or advanced lifters can use split routines like push-pull legs or upper-lower splits, training 4 to 6 days a week. Try to train each muscle group at least twice per week for optimal results, adjusting volume to avoid overtraining. Exercise selection. Not all exercises are created equal. Compound movements should be the foundation of your workouts. These exercises recruit multiple muscle groups and allow you to lift heavier weights. Think of exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench press, overhead press, and rows. These deliver maximum stimulus and build overall strength and size. Then, use isolation exercises like bicep curls, triceps pushdowns, and lateral raises to target specific muscles and improve definition. Caloric surplus. Muscle growth requires energy, and that comes from food. You need to eat more than you burn. This is called a caloric surplus. But avoid dirty bulking. Aim for a surplus of 250 to 500 calories over your maintenance level per day. Track your progress weekly. If you're not gaining at least half a pound to 1 pound per week, increase your calories slightly. Use tools like MyFitnessPal or Chronometer to track your intake accurately. Macronutrients, protein, carbs, fats. Protein is crucial because your muscles are made of it. Aim for 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. Spread it across 4 to 5 meals per day for better absorption. Good sources include meat, eggs, dairy, legumes, and protein powder. Carbohydrates are your primary energy source during training. Focus on complex carbs like oats, rice, potatoes, and fruits and vegetables. They provide lasting energy and important micronutrients. Fats are essential for hormone production, especially testosterone. Around 20 to 30% of your daily calories should come from healthy fats, like those found in nuts, seeds, olive oil, avocados, and fatty fish. Hydration is also important. Even mild dehydration can hurt your performance. Aim for 3 to 4 liters of water per day. Sleep. You grow when you rest, not when you lift. Your body releases growth hormone during deep sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep every night. To improve sleep, avoid screens at least 1 hour before bed, keep your room dark and cool, and go to bed at the same time each night. Stress management. Chronic stress increases cortisol, a hormone that breaks down muscle and reduces testosterone levels. To manage stress, incorporate activities like meditation, breathwork, journaling, or simply taking a guilt-free rest day. Remember, rest is not a weakness, it's a weapon. Supplements are not a shortcut, but they can support your journey. Two of the most researched and effective supplements are creatine monohydrate and whey protein. Creatine improves strength and power output. Whey protein helps you meet your daily protein goals. Other helpful options include omega-3 fatty acids to reduce inflammation and vitamin D if you get little sunlight. Avoid overhyped fat burners or testosterone boosters that lack scientific backing, and use pre-workouts in moderation. Supplements should support a solid foundation, not replace it. Let's recap the essentials to double your muscle growth. Apply progressive overload consistently. Use proper form and focus on compound lifts. Eat in a slight but steady caloric surplus. Prioritize adequate protein and balanced nutrition. Get quality sleep and manage your stress. And if needed, support your journey with basic, proven supplements. Most of all, stay consistent. Muscle is built over months and years, not days or weeks. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment with your questions or progress. Let's get stronger together.